Hey guys, I am really happy today we going to celebrate the Thanksgiving. November 27, 2025, and I'm gonna show you the beautiful turkey that my friend he is making. The turkey is almost ready in a couple minutes. I will show you the beautiful turkey. My two friends, they are so shameful. They don't want to appear in the video, but I'm gonna do the video for you guys. Well, the X for watch my videos. And I am really thankful for all your views. Thanks. And we going to start now. Welcome, guys.
Look, it's so beautiful. It's almost ready. And let me show you how much delicious it is. And I'm going to wait just for a couple minutes, but look at that. It's almost ready. 2, 1, 0. Now it's ready. I'm gonna show you my turkey. Look at that, guys. Oh wow, I'm really excited. Look at that. And sounds really good. This color is golden color. Is my beautiful color when something eats fries or something eats this kind of food.
This is the stuffing. In this little oven, the mincemeat pie is baking, and almost it's done also. But smell wow, super good, and we made it for the Thanksgiving dessert. Can you see the mincemeat pie? Looks good. For now, we gonna wait a little bit for mincemeat be ready.
Hi guys, it's ready my turkey. I'm gonna take off the turkey in the oven. And I'm gonna show you. Look at that. Can you see it? Looks so delicious and I'm pretty excited to show you. Can you listen? Okay? And
now, I will get the stuffing.
Pumpkin pie just said goodbye.
This is the dinner table. Here we gonna eat the Thanksgiving dinner. I am cleaning the table because I'm gonna put the sikfer and placemat and napkin. My friend from Colombia and Viva Colombia. He is now here at home. He is really such good friend. And he said, never tried before the turkey. I am pretty excited because I know the turkey gonna be really delicious. And I said, you right. The turkey is really delicious. And I know you gonna love the turkey. Because if you like the chicken, the flavor is similar. The chicken. Turkey has a really good texture, is really good, is really juicy, and with the gravy, wow, super good flavor, super delicious. Now, I need your help, guys. I need to get the silvers color. For the Thanksgiving dinner, I have silver color and golden color. The first one was silver color, and in this one is golden color. I think I am gonna get this one golden color because the decoration is brown color. I think match it with this golden color. Now, I am gonna get the silver because I am gonna put on the table. But I need to put, in the correct order, the right hand, the fork, and the left hand tablespoon and the knife. I will do with the rest of the cherts. Almost done. I have to put away the silver. The mincemeat pie is ready. Tell me if this doesn't look beautiful. The spectacular mincemeat pie. I can't wait to try the delicious mincemeat pie. Now it's time to drink a little red wine because I am thirsty and I am looking for my best angle. It's no truth, just I am kidding. Just I am enjoy my drink. Salute my friends. Now it's time to make the gravy for the turkey. He is using chicken broth, a little flour, and a little white wine, and he is stirring the broth with balloon whisk. If you can see in the bottom of the pot is rest of the turkey like butter, ingredients of the turkey, some juices of the turkey, and just he gonna add some ingredients to finish the gravy for the turkey. Cool is ready the gravy for the turkey. Awesome. Wow, the flavor is tasty. Look at that, guys, finally is ready, the gravy for the turkey, and now I am gonna serve the turkey. Is not beautiful? Guys, my turkey is totally beautiful. It has beautiful golden color and perfect size. Just for a few people, good size. But you know the turkey smell, wow, super good. I can't imagine how much delicious gonna be the turkey. Now I am come off. The little rope and some toothpick. Now, I am going to feed the turkey to my friends because we are hungry. Anyway, I want to share now. The turkey, my friend, he is asking me for the turkey breast, but smell. Wow, guys, super good. I am happy because I know the turkey gonna be super deli. Now I am gonna put the stuffing. Now I will put the delicious gravy. Tell me, guys, if isn't look delicious with the gravy on the top of the turkey. My friend from Colombia. He would like to try the turkey leg, I think. He made excellent decision. I like it a lot. The turkey legs.
And then the stuff, get it, gravy. Venga. Sí, se ve así.
Guys, the kitchen is so messy, but everything was worth it. Now, I am splendid. We gonna go to eat in the dinner table. Please, can you take the plate to the dinner table now? We going to say the prayer for the food and say thank forgive us this beautiful food and everyone stay safe and good. Hungry, yummy. Yummy, I'm gonna start with the turkey. Wow, amazing, spectacular. Wow, deli my turkey, wow. Everything is good. Thanks God for this delicious food.
They just celebrating Christmas with the turkey. Yeah, en Navidad.
My friend John from Colombia, he is enjoying. The food really good, he said. Everything is delicious, and he feels happy because he has a perfect experience with the turkey food. I got more turkey, a little bit more. Well, everyone, we got more turkey because it's mega delicious.
More gravy?
Super. Now, I am gonna serve the dessert, my delicious mincemeat pie. I told you guys smell wow.
Do you want an ice cream? You want an ice cream?
My special guest, Snoopy, good boy, and super polite dog. Guys, I want to say, thanks a lot for all your help. I feel really thankful for all your help. Guys, too, my channel, please. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, @ an X. Muchas gracious bye. Bye-bye.